Robby Thomas here, VP of Sales at Alibi Security. We're just finishing up 2025 ISC West, having a great show. We're seeing a ton of people. This is probably one of the busiest shows I've been to in probably 15 years. It's been a long time since I've seen this many people at ISC West. We've met a ton of new dealers, and we met almost all of our longtime partners. We've had great conversations. We've talked about all of our technologies, from our on-premise solution with Alibi Vigilant to our cloud solutions with Alibi Cloud VS, Eagle Eye, Brevo, My Door View. I'd like to end with saying thank you to everyone who showed up. I mean, I truly mean it when I say thank all of y'all for coming. I know that it's kind of a hassle to travel to Vegas, take a week out of your time to come see us, and I really wanted to say thank you for that.